Welcome to your French class. In this class, we'll do few sentences of le pronom complément objet direct, means COD. Okay, I have already uploaded one video in which I have explained COD, le, la, les cases. So let's start with the question. Remplacez les noms soulignés par le pronom complément objet direct, le, here it should be la, le, la, le, les. N'oubliez pas l'accord si c'est nécessaire. Okay. So here you are asked to replace the given object with the pronom and they want you to accord the verb if it is necessary. Let's start with the example. Ma mère a préparé cette tarte. My mother prepared this pie. Ma mère l'a préparé means my mother prepared that. Now, cette tarte is feminine, so they have used E here in the verb. Ma mère l'a préparé, my mother prepared it. Okay, now don't forget this line. N'oubliez pas l'accord si c'est nécessaire. Don't forget to accord if it is necessary, and here it was important to accord the verb according to the used pronoun. Okay, because it was feminine. Cette tarte. Now let's take the first statement. Nous regardons la télé. It means we are watching TV. Now, la télé is underlined. You need to change it with a pronom. Okay, so let's start. Nous la regardons. We always use pronom here before the verb. Okay, nous la regardons. That means we are watching it. Okay. Now the next statement is the boy is waiting for his mother. Now sa mère is underlined here. We need to replace it with a pronoun. So let's start. Le garçonnette l'attend. Now we dropped the vowel here because the verb is starting with a vowel. And here we did not accord the verb, although it was feminine, but we did not accord because in present we don't do so. Now the next is ils achètent la maison, means they are buying the house. Now la maison is to be replaced. Let's start. Ils l'achètent. That means they are buying it. Okay, again we have placed the pronom before the verb and we again dropped the vowel because verb is also starting with a vowel. Now the next one is la fillette cherche sa poupée. Now that means the girl is looking for her doll. So let's replace the underlined word with a pronom. La fillette la cherche means the girl is looking for it or the girl is searching it. Je garde mes clés. That means I keep my keys. Now mes clés is underlined. It is plural. So let's start. Je les garde. That means I keep them. Now the next statement is elles achèteront les romans. They will buy the novels. Now, les romans is underlined. We need to replace it and it is a plural case. So, let's start. Elles les achèteront means they will buy them. Nous ne ferons pas l'exercice. Now, that means we will not do the exercise. Now, l'exercice is underlined. We need to replace it. Let's start. Nous ne le ferons pas. That means we will not do this. Now the next one is les garçons ne regarderont pas le bon film. That means the boys will not watch the good film. Now le bon film is masculine singular. So we'll take the masculine singular case le. Let's start. Les garçons ne le whenever you are placing ne, when you are negating the sentence or you are placing ne, always write the pronoun after ne. Ne le regarderont pas. Les garçons ne le regarderont pas. That means the boys will not watch it. Now the next one is l'élève apprendra les verbes. That means the students will learn the verbs. Now les verbes is plural case. We need to replace this. So let's start. L'élève les apprendra. That means the students will learn them. Now the next one is couperas-tu ce gâteau? That means will you cut this cake? Now ce gâteau is underlined and it is masculine. Now we have used le here. As usually we write it before the verb. We have done the same, okay, and it is inversion, so we have used the subject after the verb. Le couperas-tu? That means will you cut it? Now the next one is chercherez-vous vos cassettes? That means will you be looking for your tapes or cassettes? Now the word that is to be replaced is vos cassettes. So let's start. Again we have used the pronoun in the beginning and then the verb, and because it is inversion and it is a question statement, we have written vous at the end of the statement. We have done inversion with the verb and the subject. Les cherchez-vous means will you be looking for them? Now the next one is nous venons d'apprendre la bonne nouvelle. That means we have just heard the good news. Let's change it now. Nous venons d'apprendre la bonne nouvelle. That means we have just learned or we have just come to know about the good news. Nous venons de l'apprendre means we have just come to know about it. Now the next one is vous ne pourrez pas compléter cette leçon. Means you cannot complete this lesson. And the word that is replaced is cette leçon. It is feminine. So let's start. Vous ne pouvez pas la compléter. Means you cannot complete it. We have used la here before compléter. Okay, we did not use it here because it pouvait is used here as an auxiliary verb. The main action of completing is compléter. Okay. Now the next one is Mama va préparer les crêpes. That means mom is going to make the pancakes. Now les crêpes is underlined. We'll replace it with les. Now let's start. Mama va les préparer. Mama is going to prepare them. Okay. Again we have used les here before the main verb. The next one is voudrait-il prendre les belles cartes? That means would they like to take the beautiful cards? Now les belles cartes is underlined. We will replace it with les. Now that means would they like to take them? Elle a acheté la nouvelle voiture. That means she bought the new car. Now la nouvelle voiture is to be replaced and it is feminine, and here we have passé composé, so you need to accord the verb as well. So let's start. Elle l'a acheté, she bought it. So this is how we place le pronom complément d'objet direct in sentences. So that's it for today. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and thank you.